Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on the Plus500 Broker from the Tradingfinder website. Well, from the reviews section, we enter the Forex Broker section and select the Plus500 Broker from the available brokers. By clicking the Go option, we can enter the official website of this broker. Well, as you can see, we have entered the official website of the Plus500 Broker, and by clicking the Start Reading option, we can access its registration page. Here, it asks for basic information like email and password, and after that we click on the Create Account option. If you need to familiarize yourself with different sections of the website, you can click on the Tour option, and otherwise just click Skip. In the following sections, we will fully cover the options for deposit, withdraw, and account verification. Wishing you success and profitability.